Good morning. It's Thursday, and I'm actually on the road. I gotta have a meeting with the college kids, so we got an hour or so of driving to do this morning, and we're making the day. So up a little earlier than I normally get up, leaving the house about when I would normally do that. So let's see what Thursday has in store for us. It's dark, it's raining. We're not getting any snow right now, which apparently was a possibility. Whew! On November 7th. Wow. All right, let's do it. I hate this goofy angle. This is just a little snippet. I'm taking an alternate route home from where I was, and I'm on 73, which I don't know what direction. I'm heading east right now on 73. I crossed over 48, and there was some cool, like a Western store and some car truck thing there. I don't even know. I've been on this road once before. It's some great little country here in this part of Ohio. And I remember there was a couple of cool things along here. So this is just so that I remember that this is 73 East, kind of near Waynesville, where there's a couple cool things. I'm pretty sure this is also where like the Renaissance Festival, I think it's on 73, and then that big flea market. There's the secret garden. There's another thing that's kind of cool with the big, huge moose sculpture, elk sculpture. So there, I just wanted to save this. Bye. Kind of a rainy day to be out in the car. I don't mind it though. I kind of enjoy driving on a nice rainy day.
This holiday is something personal. The DNA kit from 23andme.com/vet. 23andme.com/vet.
So I'm listening to this right now. It's Flag by James Taylor. Millworker's the song playing right now. I should probably turn it off. That's enough to get me flagged. It's a fantastic album, great group of songs. I'm looking at it and I decided to look at the copyright on it. 1979. Now James Taylor's still out and he's active and he's working. And 1979 was later in his early career, right? I mean, he'd been around for a while at that point. 1979, 89, 99, 09, 2019. Oh my gosh, that's 40 years ago! This music is 40 years old. So, I just am flabbergasted that is that old. And in some ways, how little music has changed, because that stuff would hold up. So when I was a kid listening to music, let's say in 1979, right? Let's say I pulled out some music that was 40 years old in 1979. 1930 to 49, 59, 69, 70, yeah. I'd have to be pulling out a record from 1939 to be as old to me then as this music is to me now. Man, the passage of time as I pay attention to it. Woo! 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 All right, gotta drive. So I have been trying to delete stuff off of my phone so that I have room to post videos, because I can't download from iMovie onto my phone so that I can then post it on YouTube. So I'm doing that, and I've got this device here that I put backed up things from my phone onto, and so I'm watching it on the computer and then matching things up and deleting them off the phone. So I managed to get these two, as I was reviewing, synced up exactly. So I just had to commemorate that because I thought it was kind of cool. So even turning the key is difficult, but hey, it is what it is. Let's get this day fired up. More of the same. The hallway. Audition today. Let's do it. I'm cracking myself up. I was just thinking about that while I was driving. Sorry I'm upside down. First time ever in a junkyard like this. Looking for some parts for the TT. See what we can find. It's supposed to be an aisle 129, which I didn't see a sign for. So we're walking. Should be in one of these spots. Interesting, just the amount of clips and crap that's down on the ground. That's certainly not it. Near the end of the aisle here. All right, let's see what we can find later, y'all. Okay, we're back. Here it is. We need, the idea was to get the bleeder block off of this. All right, so let's see what all we can find in this car. Oh, look at that all. That's fantastic. It's a coupe, that's a bummer, so no rear middle console stuff for me. Man, this thing has been beat up, trashed. Most of the dash stuff is gone, which is what I would have wanted. Just kind of looking all around. I don't need a gas cap. I don't need any of that stuff. All right, let's get the tools out and see what we got. So it might be the right part down there. It's right in here, right down there. But I'm gonna have to take the battery bracket off to get to it. I got it off of there. I have no idea if it's the same one as mine. But hey, how much are they gonna charge me for it, right? Well, I was gonna shoot a little video as I was walking out of the place, and then a wire wrapped around one of my feet. And then, of course, as I tried to shake it off, it was wrapped around both of them, and down I went. Genius. Oh well.
The next hour,
but the most important part is that if it's the right part, I for $4. $4. Woohoo! Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. My butt got dirty when I fell down, as did my knee. And leaking through the pants, you can see that the knee got, man, I'm the worst cameraman ever. The knee got bloody. That's a bummer. Here, however, is something to get excited about. My brother, my oldest brother, for 2 Christmases in a row, gave us gift cards to Honey Baked Ham. And I was going to just get lunch there today, but instead I bought a half ham. So that's dinner tonight. That's exciting stuff right there. Because ham is awesome. It's just the yummiest. It's late. It's 9:45, something like that. Hi. Choir is done. Went home because I had time and changed. And now it is time for some Thursday night Sand volleyball. All right, but we're inside, so we're not outside. But that'll mark the end of this Thursday. Went to the junkyard, got that. Can't get the battery box off of the Audi so that I can try to put the used part on there. And that'll be it. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, see you, bye.